to invite you into the adorable historical town of Oviedo, Florida in Seminole County, and to virtually check out our newest lakefront listing in Live Oak, Florida. I am Brittany Zapitz with Orlando Listing Power Team and LPT Realty. Let's go check it out. Oviedo was founded back in the 1925s and was mostly a farm town. A lot has changed since the early 1900s in Oviedo, Florida. Oviedo is now home to nearly 40,000 residents, but still has a small town feeling and is conveniently located to attractions and all that Central Florida has to offer. Fun fact, Oviedo's small town is known for chickens around the country because chickens roam freely in the downtown streets. Oviedo is located inside of Seminole County, Florida, and has plenty of things to do to keep you loving where you live. At the heart of our town, we have Oviedo on the Park, which is centered around Center Lake, a fun place for children and pets to enjoy a day out, local restaurants, a community center, and an amphitheater. The town has plenty of outdoor activities featuring hiking trails along the Little Big Econ State Forest, boat rides at the Black Hammock, and a fun family day picking strawberries. For our golfers, they can enjoy an 18-hole course at Twin Rivers Golf Country Club. Our newest listing is located at 4040 Live Oak Boulevard. This house features 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a 7-car garage. It has an in-ground swimming pool with a summer kitchen and has 75 feet of lake frontage on Horseshoe Lake, which is a private ski lake in Seminole County. From the moment you enter this fabulous property, you will be swept away with picture-perfect water views. This extraordinary Rio Floor Plan features an open 2-story foyer entrance, a gourmet kitchen with a butler's pantry, an elegant primary master owner suite on the first floor, a large living room and dining room that overlooks picture-perfect lake views, a secondary bedroom, a library, and a laundry room downstairs. The second story features an open, oversized game bonus room with a custom wet bar, a media theater room, an office, and 3 secondary bedrooms and a secondary master bedroom upstairs with an additional laundry room. Upgrades include a 7-car garage, lake ownership and access with over 75 feet of lake frontage on Horseshoe Lake, a custom 20 by 40 oversized pool with a hot tub, an outdoor kitchen. This home is situated on a lot with conservation in the front and to the left side of the property, which provides you plenty of privacy. Please call us today for your private showing, and we look forward to showing you this property soon.